PTV, Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Cadet First Class, Janine Alexa Magat Nesio, Polangi Albay. Cadet First Class, Edel May Robles Manalo, General Emilio Aguinaldo, Cavite. Cadet First Class, John Lester Ramos Marasigan, Lipa City. Cadet First Class, Jeril Solis Subol, Lipa City. Cadet First Class, Matthew Dumalaog Laurente, Pandacan, Manila. Cadet First Class, Franklin Esperanzate de Leomos, Sun Valley, Parañaque. For being the #1 graduating cadet in athletics and other sports-related activities, the Athletic Saber is awarded to Cadet First Class, Franklin Esperanzate de Leomos. The award is presented by Mayor Mauricio Domogan, Baguio City. Cadet First Class, John Gabriel Sabado de Vera, Baguio City. Cadet First Class, Venice May Madriaga Vigilia, Quezon City. Cadet First Class, Reggie de la Peña Espinosa, Calubian, Leyte. Cadet First Class, Michelle Cerdinio Calusor, Naga City.
Cadet First Class, Renz Darrell Manalo Mendoza, Lipa City. Cadet First Class, Den Kurt Lugo Macapagal, Arayat, Pampanga. Cadet First Class, Marshall Bohol Peñaflor II, Tacloban City. Cadet First Class, Maria Semiona Sheika Espinoza Balsamo, Lubao, Pampanga. Cadet First Class, Maria Cristina Makasait Mojica, Lipa City. Cadet First Class Karen Joy Benitez Gamboa, Cabanatuan City. Cadet First Class DC Ann Timica Labastida Leopoldo, Isabel Leyte. Cadet First Class Maria Cristina Aquino Talob, Sampaloc, Manila. Cadet First Class June Ariel Tomas Poblete, Baguio City. Cadet First Class Kenneth Joseph Palmares Yabo, Malaybalay City.
Cadet First Class Meriam Nalo Libongkogon, Balamban, Cebu. Cadet First Class Grace Ligue Luntayaw, Bualan Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Cadet First Class Nikasha Bariwan Calico, Peña Blanca, Cagayan. Cadet First Class Marjum Hali Oria, Santa Maria, Pangasinan. Cadet First Class Alpha Lungaw Api, Tinglayan, Kalinga. Cadet First Class Jeneline Hernando Bayadog, Rosario, Agusan del Sur.